Welcome back to the Money Show. I'm Dominic. This is Thomas. For those of you that are here for the money call, obviously that's been on pause for a couple weeks as we retool it, but I think we've got some pretty exciting stuff for you.
Yeah, so like you might have been used to, and if you're new to this, what the Money Call does is we highlight top performing offers in the ClickBank space, and as well as new and upcoming offers that have been proven, but might not be in the top of the marketplace yet. So it's a great time to kind of stay tuned, see what's coming, and what you can jump on to promote that's proven and vetted, and kind of before everyone else has access to it as well.
One other thing we'll be including a handful of tips and tricks that'll help you with your promotions as well.
Yeah, and we'll be streaming to YouTube obviously here, so make sure you like and subscribe so you can get notifications when we do go live on a monthly basis on the Money Call, and then as well stay tuned to the Money Show, which rolls out weekly.
All right, let's dive into the offers. So the affiliate tools pages for these offers that we're featuring will be in the description below. Now, some of these offers do require seller's approval, so you'll want to check out the affiliate tools page in case it's something you have to sign up for. Besides, you'll get plenty of information about the offers inside those affiliate tools pages.
Yeah, so we're going to be diving in and telling you what kinds of stats around CPA, the cost per acquisition, which is what we're going to tell you is the effective CPA. So that's after returns come out of it. So this is what you can expect to make after refunds and chargebacks and things like that. So you don't have to assume that for yourself, as well as EPC data for these rolling offers. But please keep in mind that this might be different for your traffic. These are estimated earnings, estimated CPAs based on the traffic that's been rolling through, and that everyone's traffic source is different. So obviously take this with a grain of salt and apply it to your own traffic.
All right, let's talk about a couple offers that you might want to get in on early. They haven't had a ton of affiliate traffic on them yet on the ClickBank network. They're just getting started, but it might be worth your time to promote. So first of all, let's talk about Smart Money Secrets. ClickBank account for this, the account nickname is SMS 101. It has an early EPC of $2.36 and an effective CPA just over $45. But what's really interesting about this offer was that it did over 10 million on more traditional media channels, so it's definitely worth checking out.
Yeah, very proven, very proven. And first to ClickBank, which we're really excited about, and it's off to a really hot start. So,
yeah.
Next one is Gluca Pro. The nickname is WellTech, W-E-L-L-T-E-K. Early EPCs of 24 cents, which might sound low, but we'll talk about that in a second. And then effective CPAs of $95.42, which is pretty healthy.
Oh, yeah.
So what I mean by that 24-cent EPC is that sounds low, but from what I know this offer well, the traffic that's hit it on ClickBank so far has been pretty much all native display traffic, which is very broad, very wide, and not very targeted. So it's usually high click volume, low conversions. What we've seen this do well with too is some like more targeted email list traffic, things like that, and it's definitely ready for that sort of thing. And owners are great to work with too. Next
offer we want to talk about is LumaSlim. And the account name LumaSlim. Check it out. You'll see the affiliate tools page in the description below. But this offer has a great VSL lander. Also, keep in mind it's a physical product, so the return rates for this are really low. Now, if we look at the numbers, this one's had a little bit more traffic on it, so the numbers are firming up on it. It's backing out to $1.90 EPC and $126 CPA. It's really a great offer.
Yeah, and Eric is the guy behind this one. He actually did a rap video.
That's right. Yeah. It's good. It's really good.
When it launched on ClickBank, you can probably find that on our social media channels. I think we reshared it on Instagram and Facebook. But yeah, great guy to work with. His dog makes a cameo in it, and yeah, that's right. It's really solid. He's put a lot of work into this offer. And then the next one is SteelBite Pro. This is from a titan in this industry. I won't share who it is. You might know him. You've probably seen his offers on the top of the ClickBank marketplace before. This one's going to be there probably in a matter of weeks, I'm guessing, based on the current traffic hitting it. $1.23 EPCs, revenue per clicks, and $109 CPA. So it's, again, like I'd expect from him, really top offer, converting really well, older demographic. So if you got email traffic or even this one does really well on Facebook and Google as well. All of his offers do.
Yeah, he's one of the most successful sellers on ClickBank. He's been around for a long time and knows what he's doing when he creates an offer. Yeah. Next one we want to talk about is the Pelvic Floor and Core System. The account nickname for that one is Alex PFS. So this is one of those offers that you have to have seller approval to be able to promote. So make sure you go to the affiliate tools page before you go promote it. But this offer continues to impress me. I mean, it's really climbed the rankings over the past, 5 months or so?
Yeah.
So right now, it's had a fair amount of traffic on it. So again, the numbers are pretty firmed up on this one. 91-cent EPC and a nearly $46 CPA. This has been a really good offer, and it's been well tested and optimized.
Yeah, what's cool about this one too, that Alex is pretty much brand new to the space as of this year. She's worked hard with Emily Lark to build this offer over the last 18 months or so. Launched it early this year, and yeah. Let's just say she's able to quit her job as a yoga instructor.
Oh, yeah. It'd be hard to find somebody who works harder than Emily Lark, and Alex seems the same way to me.
Yeah, exactly.
The other one I wanted to talk to you guys about is Carbo Fix Supplement. The nickname for this offer is Carbo Fix. Really good copy. It's been really well tested. And it's backing out to $1.13 EPC and $97 CPA. So that offer is looking pretty solid.
Yeah, it's riding a rocket right now. It's been fun to watch. I know the offer owner, his hair's a little on fire. He's juggling 2 other jobs in the direct response space and running this offer. So
yeah, he's staying busy.
he's got twins on the way. Yeah, so
I didn't know that part.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
He's staying on top of it. Things are looking really solid. Yeah, it's a pretty unique upsell flow too. So you got some really high AOVs coming out of it and some aggressive payouts.
Very nice.
And then this next one is Peak Biome. So this has been a really fun one to be a part of. I've been able to help launch it on ClickBank with the owner over here. It comes from a guy in the space who used to be a top copywriter for some of the top offers on ClickBank before. And this is his first crack at his own offer. Very well tested with a 65-cent EPC. And then the CPA data is a little thrown off, so we're not going to quote it directly here because it seems lower than it is, just because some top sellers kind of throwing things a little wonky. But it's definitely proven. It's a gut health offer, physical supplement, super low refund rates. So what you're going to get paid is going to be really close to what you can expect to actually earn on it. I think the refund rates are below 5% on it, so it's really dialed in. And yeah, great guy to work with, and he's split testing the heck out of it all the time, so you can always kind of make sure that it's always converting well and that he's rolling out different kind of landers for you to try too.
Yeah, the owner of that offer, tons of experience in the space. Great writer, great at optimizing. So again, keep in mind these numbers are not guarantees. These are estimates based on the data that we're seeing over the past 90 days. So they could vary a little bit based on your traffic. There is one other offer I want to mention before we wrap up with the offers. It's a launch coming up on September 1st. Now, this is from a long-time, very successful seller on ClickBank, a guy that I have learned so much from and admire a lot. His name is Mark Ling, and he's consistently delivered great products over the years. He's launching the Overnight Freedom product on September 1st. It's a narrow launch window. It's only September 1st through the 17th, but he has some great affiliate prizes for the affiliate contests that are coming up, including a Lexus ES, a golf simulator, which both of us could use. One of those Emperor workstations. If you haven't seen one, Google it. It's kind of cool. Stand-up arcade game, IMAX, all of that. So head over to overnightfreedomjv.com to check out that launch. And again, that comes up September 1st, so it's coming quick.
Yeah, no, it's going to be a good one. His are always great. I just want to call back to some EPC things to keep in mind. Is that something to keep in mind if you're getting quoted EPC data is that as offers scaled, EPC typically goes down. Right, because more traffic hits it. It's a wider type of traffic. It's colder traffic. So earnings per click will actually go down as offers go up. Like a quote I've heard from some leaders in the space: if you want to lower EPC, send less traffic.
Yeah.
Right? So keep that in mind. So if you see an offer with low EPC and it seems low to you, it's still worth a test most of the time because your traffic might be fresh for it, and you'll still have probably a higher EPC than what's quoted to like the general audience and that kind of thing. So
yeah, that's very true. Yeah. As those traffic sources broaden out, EPC always goes down.
Yeah, exactly.
So we wanted to share with you one really quick tip when it comes to promoting offers on ClickBank. Now, the traditional Hoplink was a HTTP. It was a non-secured link. But some traffic sources are going to require HTTPS or a secured link, and there's a couple ways that you can get one. First, you can get one from the affiliate marketplace. So if you just search for the offer, you'll see a little button that says promote. Click that button and enter your affiliate nickname in there, and it'll create a secure Hoplink for you.
Yeah, and the other great way to do it is if you go to clickbank.com/tools, there's actually a Hoplink builder on there where you can plug in, if you already know the offer you're wanting to promote, you can plug in the offer name or the seller nickname, your nickname, any tracking IDs you need, and it'll spit out both formats, HTTP and HTTPS. And in my opinion, there's really no reason to use HTTP if you can just use a secure one by default. You're just ruling out potential problems happening.
Particularly browser issues.
Yeah, exactly.
So those are the offers that we have for you today. Be sure to ask questions in the comments. We'll answer them as they come in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for being part of the ClickBank family.
Let's make bank.